today's drawing we will draw one straight line. If you want, you can use ruler. Just getting a little bit idea. And another one next to that. Turn this one and connect. This looks like a long alphabet U and skinny at the same time. Now on the top I'm going to draw a circle, and here I picked one point here and I did double lines over here, and I pick another one and I will do double lines here. From the top one here and bottom one here, this is the bottom line from here and the top line from here, I will draw. You can draw a rectangle, a square, whatever shape you really like over here. So little idea. Now you can pick a point over here wherever you want. I'm picking one point here, not really down. So if I will do plus sign, if you are like couldn't get it, so like suppose this is a plus point, so in this block I pick the point. From here I will draw another square or rectangle, whatever you like. So this is my another one, and inside one, the first one, remember the first one, whatever you have, and anything is inside you have to erase. I will start from here, I will go all the way end here, and then I will turn, curve a little bit, and then I will go and connect here on the corner. So you can see I went here, I turned like alphabet U or U-turn or J, whatever it comes in your mind, and then I went all the way to the corner. Now it's folded. So first style is basic is this one. Now second, what you can do a little bit more detail here. So from here to here you can draw one curvy line, and instead of this straight line we can do curve here, and same thing, it's going up, so this will also go up like that. And let's erase this part here. Same thing, this one, so we can do up here, and same thing here we can do up here.